Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create basic calculator in Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. First we have to create Windows Form application and we're gonna call it calculator. Oops. Okay, so that's our form here. First we have to change its name, text, like to calculator. And then we have to add text box and we're gonna call it display. We're gonna change the font size into 16. So it's our text box here, but there is nothing, so we need to set the text to 0 and change from right to left into S, so it's here, not here. Now we have to add buttons like plus, minus, etc, etc. First we're gonna start with numbers, so we are adding button. If you see, it's here, and we're gonna change text to 1. Oops. So we have the button, but size not looking very nice, so let's say it will be 50 on 50. I think it's pretty big, so let's say it's 30 on 30. Yeah, it's okay. So now only we need to change the name of it, and we're gonna call it actually 1, and now we can copy it, and sure, name will be 2, and the text will be also 2. So now we have to copy them and do like this until 0. So okay, so it's basic numbers here. Now we have to add 0. Let's say it will be here, as we'll put clear button in here. So let's say it's 0 and the text is also 0. So it's our numbers done. Now we're gonna add button and we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna call it clear, and also the text will be clear. So it's our basic buttons down here, but now we need like plus and minus and etc, etc. So we are again adding this. Let's say it will be the size of 2 numbers, and the same will be with the width. So oops, it's on this parameter. Yeah, obviously it's 66, not 62. So it's our first button, and we're gonna call it plus, and the text will be plus. Oops, that. Now we have to copy it as we did before with numbers. That will be minus here. It's not 9. Multiply here. We're gonna put x. Just let me check if it's minus. Yep, it is. And there will be divide button. Like here, and divide. So, okay, so there is basic numbers. Now we're gonna make this text box smaller, so it equals with everything in it. Now it only equals button, which we can put here. It will be huge, like on the whole width. And let's call it equals, and put equals also So that's overall our form dorm here. Let's run it, and so that's our calculator here. Obviously nothing is working in it, so we didn't decode it, which we'll do in next part. So subscribe to my channel and see you.